Hi Mark.
Hi.
Thank you very much for bringing your Mini in, your Mini 1.6 Turbo.
Yep.
You said it's been on the verge of failing its emission test.
Yep. Very badly.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's feeling a bit sluggish, not quite right.
Yeah.
So you've come across our Hydroflow treatments, you've seen videos and what have you. So you're a bit of a petrol head yourself, you work at Nissan. We've done a Hydroflow treatment on your vehicle. I haven't even driven it yet, but we've been out together, so we've gone for a long test drive. So, your feedback, please.
Absolutely tremendous change in the car. Smoothness, acceleration. I can't believe how much power it's got in it now compared to what it has. Just blown away.
So it's a good example of just restoring performance that's been lost. In other words, you can feel now the difference in a vehicle which has had a great deal of the soot that's been holding performance back removed.
Yeah, definitely. Looking forward to getting it out on a nice little motorway trip there and seeing what it's like.
Happy to recommend it?
Yes, I'm part of the North East Mini Club, so I'm going to be recommending it to the guys there as well.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Might even put a link onto our page for you as well,
Thank you.
so I can get it sorted out.
Cheers, Mark.
Thank you.